Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change date and time settings on your HUAWEI MateBook 16s. So we need to start with opening the Windows key, then go on to the settings. Here locate date and time, and you can find it in the settings, or simply write down date, time, settings. Now we can see the current date and time. Disable set time automatically, and that way you'll be able to go and change the time or date manually. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.